Hi, I'm Amy Karanik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Welcome to the amazing world of Liquid Sculpey. Currently, we're featuring 11 colors with 3 different finishes. There's metallics, matte, and there's the translucents, which also includes clear. It starts as a liquid, but it bakes up into lightweight, flexible pieces. Let's get our Liquid Sculpey ready to use by stirring it. To stir Liquid Sculpey, just remove the entire cap. Then select one of your favorite stirring tools. Make sure it goes all the way to the bottom and give it a good stir. Now you'll notice the cap of the Liquid Sculpey is really unique. You can twist it open just a little bit to make thin lines or tracings, or you can open it all the way for filling molds. If you would like your Liquid Sculpey to be a little bit thinner for your unique application, you can thin it with clay softener and thinner. Add just a few drops, then you'll want to make sure that's stirred in completely just like you did before. Make sure it's the way you like it, and put the cap back on. It's fun to customize Liquid Sculpey by mixing in alcohol ink and glitter. I'm just going to drop a few drops of alcohol ink and stir that in. And I've got some star-shaped glitter here. A common application for Liquid Sculpey would be to use it to make a mirror or a window cling. It's really important that you work on glass because glass is non-porous and it gives the Liquid Sculpey piece its ability to stick to a glass or mirror. So I have a template that I printed out from my computer. First step I did was to trace it with silver Liquid Sculpey. That gave me the outlines that I needed for my design. I baked it so that the Liquid Sculpey is actually cured by now. Then all I have to do is open my bottle completely up and flood some areas with the colors that I want. Once the outlines are all filled in, I'll bake this again, and when it's all done, it will be able to be peeled off the glass and applied to a window or to a mirror. Another application would be to fill any oven-safe silicone mold. To fill a thin mold, you would want to just flood an area with a little puddle of Liquid Sculpey. Now you could use your fingertip or the included squeegee and just move the Liquid Sculpey around in all the little cavities. As you're moving it around, be sure and look for areas where there might be air bubbles. You can simply pop it with your needle tool. Bake it following the baking instructions, and when it's all done, it peels out easily for an element to a jewelry design. This is a thicker mold. Open your cap wide up and then just flood an area with the liquid. You'll want to tap it on your work surface to naturally release air bubbles. Just look at all these great samples of projects made with Liquid Sculpey. There's paper crafting, window and mirror clings, home decor, mixed media, and of course it's perfect for jewelry making because it's so strong and lightweight. And if you already love creating with Sculpey oven-baked clays, then Liquid Sculpey is a great addition to create unique items.